Hey, you want to sell more Kindle books? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this short video, I want to give you a pretty cool tip if you're looking to sell more Kindle books. Now, I've been selling Kindle books for a little over 3 years, and to this day, I'm still getting sales from on my Kindle account. So I wanted to share a tip that I just I just kind of did it myself, figured it out myself, but I think it can help a lot of people. But it really will help people that's in the niche of like making money online or home businesses, working from home type stuff. But I'm sure you can kind of use what I'm about to tell you and use it on other platforms and different niches, right? But so this is what I did. All right, I'm a member of IBO Toolbox. If you're not a member of IBO Toolbox and you're in the whole make money online home business niche, get on IBO Toolbox. I will put a link in the description of this video so you can join. It's absolutely free. But this is basically like a social media platform for like internet marketers, basically. That's what it is. It's like Facebook for home business owners, basically. All right. So when you get over there and you sign up, there's many opportunities, to network, and they have different advertising tools that you can use, right? You could do videos, you can do, which is another part, I didn't think about that, but you can promote videos on there, you can put press releases on there, and they also have banner ads, right? Now, you can actually buy views and clicks to your ads, to your banner ads, or you can do different tasks on IBO Toolbox that will allow you to earn credits that can get you, views to your banner ads because you're able to run banner ads, right? So this is what I did. The last Kindle book that I published, what I did was I went to PicMonkey. A lot of people use what's the other one? I can't think of the other one. But there's PicMonkey, and then someone used the other one, their other free one. I forget, can't think of the name of it. Canva, I think. Yeah, Canva. I use PicMonkey, but whatever you use, create a banner for it. I usually like to create the long banners, whatever. Make a really, really cool banner for your book, right? And after you get done with that, you want to earn some credits, you know what I mean, to actually get people to see your banner for it to keep popping up on IBO Toolbox and send traffic to it. It's like a guaranteed way for people to see your book on Amazon. So all you're doing is when you create that link, all you're going to do is link it to your Amazon Kindle sales page for your book. All right. And people will click, you will get some clicks on your banner. So not only are you going to get traffic to your actual Kindle page, you're going to have the opportunity to get a sale, especially if the book is priced at, say, $2.99 or even 99 cents. That's an easy way to get some sales and some traffic to your Kindle book. That's what I'm doing. I got a pretty cool banner and I run traffic to it. And like I said, I get some sales. And I believe, I'm not really tracking it that deep, but I'm pretty sure some are coming from just me running those banners off of IBO Toolbox. So that's great for that type of niche, right? Which a lot of people are in. But how would this work if you were in, I always use this dog training niche, I don't know why, or fitness niche or whatever. I'm sure there's different platforms similar to IBO Toolbox. You just kind of find them and then join them and then, see how their banner ads, run. Now, if there's not a way to earn credits, then yes, you can usually purchase, which is everybody kind of knows about that. You can purchase, banner ad views and stuff like that. But I like IBO Toolbox because you can earn credits. And I'm sure there's other platforms that will allow you to do similar stuff. But I find this to be a really cool, inexpensive way, if not free way, to get some traffic to your Kindle book. And the cool thing is you could do this with all of your books and just send traffic to it. Also, you can do the same thing with your YouTube videos. So create a banner. If you got a really cool video that you really want to get some views and people to see, create a cool banner. I stress cool banner, make it colorful and flashy and whatever, and put your YouTube link. All right, so when people click that banner, they're going straight to that YouTube video. And if it's cool, you got some views and you got potential leads, for whatever you're trying to do. So this was a good tip. I hope that you use this, use it to your advantage, because this can really help you out. If you like what you heard, comment below if you got any questions. Be sure to share this video if you like what you heard, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.